Experience unparalleled audio quality with the Oxys S3 home theater audio soundbar. Designed with built-in subwoofers and advanced dialogue enhancement technology, there are many products available to choose soundbars. Each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best soundbars from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Sane Soundbars for TV with Subwoofer. Elevate your home entertainment experience with the Sane Soundbars for TV with Subwoofer, the ultimate 2.1 deep bass small soundbar monitor speaker home theater surround system. With its sleek 17-inch design and wall-mountable feature, this soundbar seamlessly integrates into any space, delivering powerful, immersive audio. Featuring a dedicated subwoofer, the Sane Soundbars produce rich bass that fills the room with captivating sound. The subwoofer's large cavity space enhances bass depth, creating a realistic 3D audio experience for movies, music, and gaming. Connectivity is a breeze with Bluetooth technology, allowing you to wirelessly stream audio from your devices. Additionally, optical and auxiliary connections offer versatile setup options, ensuring compatibility with your TV and other audio sources. Customize your audio experience with 3 equalizer modes: news, movie, and music, tailoring the sound to suit your content. The intuitive LED indicator displays the selected mode, while the included remote control provides convenient operation. Complete with a 12-month warranty and professional after-sales service, the Sane Soundbars for TV with Subwoofer promise accept. Number 2. Wireless subwoofer and rear speaker. Experience the ultimate in home entertainment with the Rainevry 5.1 wireless subwoofer and rear speaker system. This 5.1 channel surround soundbar system delivers an immersive audio experience with Dolby Audio and 400 W of total system power. Enjoy room-filling excitement with virtualized surround sound, while the included wireless rear speakers expand the audio into a 360 degrees dimension. The 16 wireless subwoofer provides powerful bass down to 50 Hz, turning your living room into an IMAX theater. Personalize your audio experience with different equalizer modes, including music, movie, news, and 3D mode, all controllable with the included smart remote. Connectivity is seamless with Bluetooth 5.0, HDMI ARC, RCA, or optical input options, ensuring stable connectivity up to 50 feet. Setting up is a breeze, with all accessories included and no cables between speakers. Elevate your home theater experience with the Rainevry 5.1 wireless subwoofer and rear speaker system. Number 3. 5.1.2 Premium Dolby Atmos Soundbar with Wireless Subwoofer. Introducing the 5.1.2 Premium Dolby Atmos Soundbar with Wireless Subwoofer from Rainevry's Pro Series 5. Elevate your home entertainment experience with immersive surround sound, powerful bass, and seamless connectivity. With true wireless satellite speakers boasting up to 6-hour battery life, transform any space into a cinematic home theater without the hassle of wires. Immerse yourself in lifelike 3D surround sound, courtesy of Dolby Atmos technology, and 2 up-firing speakers reflecting accurate overhead audio. Accompanied by a 15 wireless subwoofer, experience deep accurate bass down to 45 Hz, enhancing every audio moment. With 500 watts peak audio power, enjoy dynamic clear sound with a frequency range of 45 Hz 20 kHz, enveloping you in an unparalleled audio experience. Enjoy stable wireless streaming with Bluetooth 5.1 and seamless connectivity via HDMI, optical, O, and USB inputs. Easily adjust settings with the included remote control, and indulgent tailored sound experiences with news, music, and movie equalizer modes. Discover the ultimate in home audio with Rainevry's 5.1.2 Premium Dolby Atmos Soundbar. Number 4. Home theater audio with built-in subwoofer. Experience unparalleled audio quality with the Oxys S3 home theater audio soundbar. Designed with built-in subwoofers and advanced dialogue enhancement technology, this soundbar ensures every sound detail stands out, providing a cinematic experience from the comfort of your home. With less than 1% total harmonic distortion, enjoy crisp dialogue and music reproduction, better than ever before. Equipped with cinematic 3D surround sound and DSP technology, this soundbar transforms your ordinary TV into a theater-like experience. The 4 full-range speakers deliver dynamic bass through a special port tube reflection, offering immersive soundscapes for movies, music, and gaming. Choose from 3 sound modes via remote control: movie, music, and news game to customize your audio experience. With Bluetooth 5.0 and multiple wired connections including USB, O, optical, and coaxial, effortlessly connect to various devices for seamless streaming. Stylishly designed and wall-mountable, the Oxys S3 soundbar blends seamlessly with any home decor while saving space. Enhance your entertainment setup with the Oxys S3 and elevate your audio experience to new heights. Number 5. Samsung HWQ600C 3.1.2ch Soundbar. Elevate your home entertainment with the Samsung HWQ600C 3.1.2ch Soundbar. This sleek black soundbar, part of Samsung's Q series, delivers immersive audio with Dolby Atmos technology, ensuring every movie, concert, or game is experienced at its fullest. Q Symphony technology synchronizes the soundbar with compatible Samsung TVs, creating a seamless audio experience. Enjoy adaptive sound that enhances dialogue clarity even at low volumes, thanks to intelligent audio optimization. With HDMI ear connectivity, advanced audio formats like Dolby Atmos are seamlessly transmitted from your TV to the soundbar with just one cable, preserving sound quality. Experience gaming like never before with Game Mode Pro, featuring up-firing speakers and acoustic beam technology for immersive 3D sound. Bluetooth multi-connection allows you to connect two devices simultaneously, while Samsung acoustic beam technology delivers panoramic sound that follows the action on screen. Plus, tap sound compatibility with select Samsung mobile devices adds convenience to your listening experience. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any king of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more